Hey guys, what's up? It's Clarky here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually going to Manila. I'm at my dad. Dad, say hi. Anyways, for today we're going to Manila because we're gonna have a family reunion with my dad's relatives. So lahat ng sa dad's side ko, pupunta kami ng Manila to like gather. Tapos after, and we're also gonna celebrate New Year's done. After New Year's, we're gonna go to Taiwan. So actually the thing that I'm most looking forward to is going to Taiwan because I haven't been to Taiwan and it's gonna be my first time there because my Lola lives there. So she wants to like tour us around. And yes, it's gonna be I'm very excited. I'm really happy that, I get to travel because traveling is the only time where I can actually vlog. Mas interesting yung life pag may travel vlog, diba? Mas interesting yung channel. Mas interesting panoorin. It's currently 9:57. Our flight is at 11:45 because I think yung boarding time is 11:20. So, it's good to be early. Tapos, alam niyo ba, na-prepare ako ng mga movies. So, nag-download ako ng latest Stranger Things Vol 2, which is hindi ko pa napapanood. So, kaya din-download ko siya. At kaya hindi ko siya pinanood para may something to watch ako sa plane or, while waiting. So yes, I hope you guys will enjoy my trip. I will try my very best to vlog as much as I can. Manila! Baloy. Guys, oh. Seriously, me. I'm hungry. Ako din, guys. I'm hungry. Hey guys, good morning. It's currently 8 a.m. and we are now here sa house ng kapatid ng dad ko, si Tito Renot. And we're gonna be staying here for the next 4 days. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa Enchanted. After Enchanted, diretso daw kami sa beach. Doon kami mag-stay for 1 night. So I think Enchanted. Tapos paggabi, biyahe na papuntang beach. Tapos doon sa beach, doon na kami mag-stay for the next 2 days. Tapos, balik kami dito sa bahay ni Tito Renot for the New Year's. Ngayon, wala pa akong ligo. So, I'm just preparing all my stuff. And then, we're gonna go. So, we stopped over a little bit. We're 20 minutes away from Enchanted Kingdom. So, we're just here to order coffee lang. Tapos, balik agad kami. This is the fit of the day, guys. So excited. Haven't been to Enchanted Kingdom yet. This is the first. Grabe ang init dito. Grabe. Hi Dad, say hi. Grabe guys, ang init. So we're just waiting for our other members of the family and then we're gonna gala-gala.
Sino?
Mag-hi ka.
Ako? Hello!
Di ba magkamukha kami?
Oo nga, magkamukha kami. Kasi lola ako.
Hi kayo.
Ano sabi?
Oh my god. I wish I could show you guys the clips, but I can't bring my camera. Time to eat. Thank you. Sheesh. I chose the Billie Eilish logo because you guys know how much I love Billie Eilish. So cool. Hey guys! Good morning! We are now here in Batangas. We're actually here sa rest house ng pinsan ng daddy ko. Tapos, pinagamit lang niya yung bahay. Place is actually really nice. It's really nice here. And I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the house and then the beach. Pero yeah, we're gonna be staying here until tomorrow. And then, babalik kami ng QC. Yeah, so 30 babalik kami ng QC. And then, for 31, we're just gonna celebrate New Year's done. So, yes. Say hi, Tita Hazel.
Hello!
Kasama ko si Tita Hazel. Ngayon, Kakape muna ako kasi wala pa akong breakfast. So, yes. Ayaw mo muna eh. Ganda ng sunset, guys. I'll use this to pay them. Got my Starbucks. I'm ready to go. Let's go. And we're gonna be drinking now.
Happy New Year, guys!
Happy New Year, Mom! Eh, ayan na. Going to Taiwan. Let's go! Guys, Niana Guerrero's in the house. Niana, I miss you. What's up, guys? We're in Taiwan. It's currently 3 a.m. Same time lang sa Manila. I'm super sleepy. I just wanna sleep. But yeah, I cannot because I slept on the plane a little bit. So yeah, we're just waiting for Lola. Look what I'm eating. Ayun, nalalapas na kami. Mafe-feel na namin yung lamig talaga. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, ang lamig! You must have underestimated the cold.
Dun sa banda,
Good morning, guys. It's currently 8 a.m. and we're just eating breakfast lang muna before we go to our destination. Nag-order pa sila, Dad. Dito kami sa, hindi ko alam, hindi ko mabasa. Ayun, yan yung name ng resto. Nag-order pa sila. Tapos papasok na kami. I'm gonna show you guys my fit. Fit. Tapos dinala ko yung school shoes ko. Ayan. Mamaya pupunta daw kami ng bundok. Ewan ko kung anong bundok. Hindi kasi nagsasabi si daddy sa akin kung saan kami pupunta. Basta yung mga tourist spots dito, pupuntahan namin. Yun yung agenda namin today. Pupuntahan namin yung mga tourist spots. And then after, gala-gala ata. Bukas, parang last, like, second day na namin. Third day pala bukas. Tapos, uwi na kami by Tuesday. So, I'm definitely gonna miss it here.
Sabado na kami magbabayad ka.
Mag-ano kami, lantern, yung lumuluta ako sa sky. Ayan.
Ako naman magalit si Kali. Mainit ah.
Nagkakape ako!
Kaya maglaki. Pinig ka lang naman. Dito? Sa baba. Kape.
Dito kami sa outlets. We're gonna shopping, siguro. Guys, update, we're at the Nike store and I bought.
Tayo pupunta ng ano.
Thank you, Wawa!
Welcome.
Love you!
Love you too.
Could you repeat the order, please? Guys, we're at Starbucks. Hindi ko alam, di pala pwede yung points ko dito. So, hindi madagdagan. Sayang. Matcha as usual. Hey guys, currently 10:48. Mag-hi ka muna sa vlog ko, Gama.
Hello.
Ayan, nag-i-impake na kami para bukas. Kasi yung flight namin bukas is, ano pa naman, 3 a.m. sa next day. Pero ano lang kami, nag-impake na kami in advance kasi bukas may pupuntahan pa kaming lugar. Tapos, didiretso na kami ng airport. May mga binili pala akong pasalubong for people. May mga snacks din dyan. So, tatry ko yun pagdating ng Cebu. Masarap yung mga Taiwan food. Tatapusin lang namin to and then we're gonna sleep. So, bye! Guys, it's our last day in Taiwan. I'm gonna show you guys my fit. So, check! Ito yung top ko. I'm wearing my pants and shoes. That bigay ni Lola. may glasses ako. Tsaka yung alahas na binigay sa akin yung Wawa. Tsaka ito. Yun lang.
Ready ko na? Nakakatak.
Guys, there's matcha ice cream. That looks good. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's try. Sarap. It's good, it's good. Ano yun ulit, Gama?
Matcha.
Matcha. Ang pangit ng ano. Hindi siya yung pang-aesthetic. Kakainis. We're going home. Baba na namin yung mga gamit namin. Salan, I'm gonna miss you. Tita, Zeki. Mama. Uy. Thank you, Tita. I'm gonna miss this place.
Doon po.
Na-in-love ako sa Taiwan, guys. I'm definitely gonna come back here soon. Until next time, Taiwan. Guys, ang daming nangyari today. Mamaya na ako magkwento. We were in the Center Isle. Stopover pa kami ng Manila. Hey guys, so it's currently 6:38 a.m. and we're already in Manila. So, kanina kasi, uminom ako ng milk tea. Binilan ako ni Lolo ng milk tea. For some reason, after ko uminom nun, after 2 hours, biglang sumakit yung tiyan ko. Tapos, after nun, sunod-sunod na siyang sumakit until sa pagdating ng airport. Like, from the train to the airport. Sakit talaga, guys. Grabe. So, nung dumating ako ng airport, hindi ko na kinaya. Habang nagla-line kami, sakit na sakit talaga yung tiyan ko. Kasi umuupo na ako sa sakit talaga. Parang pumunta ako sa CR. Tapos, ayun, tinay ko sumuka. Ayun, pumunta ako sa CR ilang beses talaga. Kahit pagpasok na namin and before, at tinay ko talaga sumuka. Yung first attempt ko at saka second, hindi talaga siya lalabas. Ewan ko ba. Di kasi ako sanay sumuka, guys. Di kasi ako pala suka or anything. May ganun ba? Tapos ayun, hindi siya lumalabas. Kahit anong ganun ko, hindi talaga siya lumalabas. Ginawa ko, ginanon ko yung ano ko, throat. Tapos buti, may lumabas naman, pero maliit lang. So ayun, ngayon magpapahinga na lang kami. We're waiting for our next flight. Flight namin is 10 p.m. pa. Makakapagod na. Gusto ko na umuwi. Yan, I'm feeling much better now compared kanina. Kasi nasuka ko na ng very light. Pero at least hindi na kagaya ng kanina. Sobrang sakit talaga. So yun, nihintay na lang namin yung flight namin. Cebu na kami ulit. Yay! 4 hours pa. Ay, 3 hours na lang pala, 7 na eh. So yeah, so see you guys in Cebu.
Wala kang ngayon tayo sa